kids, let's learn some animal names. Can you shout them out with me? Roar. Who is this big, brave animal? That's right. A lion. Black and white stripes. Can you name this one? Zebra. Look how tall it is. Do you know its name? Giraffe. Stop, stop. Who has a big trunk and floppy ears? Elephant. Ooh, ah. Hose swinging in the trees. Monkey.
Yay! Congratulations! Woohoo! Great job, friends! You named them all. Lion, zebra, giraffe, elephant, and monkey. Don't forget to subscribe for more.